Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Zainul Haziman from School of Engineering, UiTM Shah Alam. So for today, I will present to you our new project named as New Master Mechanism for Master-Slave Arm Robot. Okay, first thing first, why do we need a new control method or a new design for this robot? The previous Master-Slave Arm system faced challenges in accuracy and consistency due to limitation in its control method. The master device in the previous study produced unstable performance and inconsistent measurement. Okay, can be seen over here. The previous master hardware have a direct attachment of sensors to the skin. It will cause sensor dislocate during operation and a reduced precision in control robotic arm movement. So this will affected the overall performance and reliability of the whole system. Next, we move on to the objective for this current project. Firstly is to develop a new master mechanism for the master-slave arm robot using a glove-based control system. Next is to establish an interface between the slave robotic arm and the master controller. And lastly, to validate the effectiveness of the proposed method in controlling the slave arm robot. Next, we move on to the block diagram and the project flow for this project. So, this project separated into two things, which is the master and the slave. So, the master have the master controller. I have used the ESP32 as the microcontroller. It will receive a DC value from the flex sensor, and then it will normalize the value of sensors here and will be sent via Wi-Fi to the slave controller, which is the ESP32 also. The slave controller will segment the normalized of sensor signals into segments, and then we send the PWM to the robot's motor. For safety concern on the robot's motor, I have implemented two safety concerns, which is sequential servo movement and smooth motion algorithm. Next is the novelty, uniqueness, and the creativity from this project. The creativity and novelty from this project is coming from the glove design itself and the robot structure and the control method. I have proposed two control methods, which is normalization of sensor signals on the scale 0 to 100 and segmentation of the normalization values. I have also proposed two safety concerns, which is sequential servo movement, which the servo have to move one by one, and another safety concern is smooth motion algorithm, which user can actually adjust the delay for every step that servo motor takes. Okay, this project also have a high potential to contribute to the society. Industrial processes which needs to move a robot using human intuition or decision can use this robot. As you all can see, this robot have a unique pattern, which is hand-to-arm control method rather than arm-to-arm control method. Next, for formalization and pre-formalization. The glove design itself has been designed to fit the user comfort and technical requirement for the robot task. For your information, this glove has two parts, which is the inner one is the rubber glove and the outer one is 3D printed part. Next, the control accuracy can be validated or calibrated to comply user needs. For your information, or as we know, different people has different hand size, so it must be calibrated or validate the control accuracy to comply the user needs. Okay, for your information, we have submitted the copyright to Bitcom and we are currently waiting for the financial support. So the status of invention is our product is still in prototype form. So as you can see in the slide, an application for the copyright is still in process.
This is the project demonstration for master-slave arm robot.